Right. Previous session we have discussed the examples for till 3 variable K-map. Now here in this session 4 variable K-map, along with that don't care condition. It is a special condition, right? So now first one they have given here C, min term only. Again values they have given here, min term values. So what is the maximum value they have given? 15, right? So we know that 4 variable K-map includes how many cells? 2 to the power of 4, that is 16 cells. So from 0 to 15 it is going to take. So how many variable I am going to plot here? The K-map, that is 4 variable K-map. So 4 variable 16 cells, right? So here right, this side I am taking AB and here it is CD. Right, you can take W, X, Y, Z. So now here now I have to write the min term values for each corresponding cell. So I will start with 0, 1, 2, 3. Right, so you may get the doubt here, why ma'am 0, 1, 2, 3 continuously you can write, but here the cells adjacent values must differ by 1 here. So that's why here 0, 1, 2, 3, again 4, 5, 6, 7, right. So again here I am taking next row, that is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right. So now I got what here? 4 variable K-map. So first step is what here again? Mapping of min terms. So first value is 0. So wherever 0 min term value is there, I am placing what here? 1. And second value is 5. So I am placing what here? 1. Next min term value is 7. So 1. So next min term value is 8. So 8 is here. Next one is 11. 11. Next one is 13. So 13 here. So next one is 15. 15. So first step is done, mapping of min term. Now second step is what here? Grouping of min term. Right. So if you check, so while explaining I told rolling of K-map. Right. So if you check here, corner values. Right. So this one and this one. So these two, if you roll the K-map, then these two one become as what here? Pair. So these two have taken one pair, and if you check in middle, right, so 4 1, so you are getting what here? Quad, right, you are getting one quad, and one more one is there outside here. So these two ones you can make it as what here? Pair. So how many pairs you got now? 2 pairs, 1 quad here, right. So 2 pairs plus 1 quad. So first pair, so what will be the expression here? So these two. Now if I am taking A bar, B bar, A, B bar. So A bar is going to get cancelled. So what is the common here? B bar. Now this one, right, it is C bar, D bar. First pair. Now second pair, so these two things. So if you check these two rows again, B bar get cancelled, A will be there. Now again this column it is what here? C, D. Next one is quad. So these 2 rows and 2 columns here. So here A bar get cancelled, you will get here B, and here C bar will get cancelled and you are getting D here. So this is a reduced expression. I am using what here? 4 variable K-map. So where you are getting what here? So when you are rolling the K-map, so 1 pair and here 1 pair, 2 pairs plus 1 quad here. So the same pairs you are writing the expression here. Now one more they have given, directly they have given what here? SOP expression they have given. So first one they have given the min term values from 0 to 50. Right. So you have to check the values, maximum value which value you have, based on that you have to take whether it is 3 variable or the 4 variable. Now second one here they have given the expression now. So first I will plot here. Why? Because from the expression only, how many variables are there? So 4 variables. So 4 variables you are going to plot. Again 16 cells will be there. Right. So this side AB and here it is CD. Now first expression is A bar B C D. Right. So A bar B C, D. So here I am placing 1. Next one, A bar, B, C, D bar. A bar, B, C, D bar. So C, D bar, again here 1. Next one is A bar, B, C bar, D. A bar, B, C bar, D. Again here 1. Next one is A bar, B, C bar, D bar. Here 1. Next one is A bar, B bar, right? C, D. A bar, B bar, C, D. Now here I am placing 1, right? So here 4 ones you got. Mapping is done. Second step is what again? Grouping. So grouping of ones you are getting what here? 1 quad you are getting and 1 more pair you are getting. So 1 quad as well as 1 pair. So for this quad, right? So all these values get cancelled. Now what you are getting here? A bar, B, right? Plus, so for this pair, from these two, B bar is get cancelled. You are getting A bar. And here it is C, D. Again reduced expression, right? So these two are what examples of the 4 variable K map. So special case you have, that is nothing but the don't care condition. That is nothing but what here? Don't care condition. So they will give what here? Set of min term values, along with that plus don't care min term values also they will give here. So how we are going to solve? Again here values if you check, so it is about 7. Then in that case it is 4 variable K map. So here again 4 variable means 16 cells. So writing the min term values. So I have written the min term values. If you check mapping of min terms, so first value is 1. So wherever 1 is there, 1. Second value is what here? 5. Third value is 7. Fourth value is 8. Next 9. After that you have 13. Right? So I got the values. Now don't care condition values also they have given. So that is represented by X here, right? So in place of 3, min term value is what? 3. So here I can place what here? X, right? And next one is what here? 12 you have. So here I am going to place what here? X, right? If you observe here, so 1, 1, 1, 1. And here you have what here? X, right? So this you can make it here, don't care condition. So when if you are including this X, right, you will get what here? You will get 1 quad. If you are not including, then it is not going to make any quad, right? So you can make what here? 2 pairs, like this and like this. So when you are including this don't care condition, so you are getting what here? Quad here, right? 3 ones. So X I am including, then it is making us what here? Quad. And now here this side also you can take here, right? So 3 ones, I am including this don't care condition X. Then you are getting what here? 1 more quad. So you can ask the question again. So these 4 ones can also be made as a 1 quad, right? I want to reduce the expression. So these 4 ones again, these 2 ones are participating in this quad as well as the don't care condition quad, and here these 2 ones is participating in this quad as well as this don't care condition quad. So you can avoid this quad here, right? So I am taking only this quad, quad 1, and here taking what here? Quad 2. So reduce expression again. So here it will be A bar, B bar, A bar B, A B bar. Now for this first quad, right? So these 2 rows. So these 2 rows B bar get cancelled. What will be there? A bar. And these 2 columns C bar C will be cancelled. We will get what here? A bar D. Right? Now when you are checking for the second quad, right? Here B bar B get cancelled. What you are getting here? A. These 2 columns here D bar get cancelled. You are getting what here? A C bar, reduced expression. Right, using what here? Don't care condition. So it is represented by what here? X. So if you are not using this X, then you can create what here? Two pairs. Right. So pairs means what? The expression will not be reduced here. If you are taking quad, then only it is going to reduce the expression. So for that only the don't care condition I am including X. So it is creating what here? One quad. So when quad is included, it is going to reduce the expression. So one more example along with what here? Don't care condition I have taken. Now again 0 placing 1, 1 placing 1, next one is 2, 3, 4, 5. Now don't care condition here 10. So where 10 is there, I am placing what here? X. Next one is 11. Right. Next 12, 13, 14. Right. So here you have what here? Min term values. Right. And in this place here you have what here? Don't care condition. So if you check, so these 4 ones, right, adjacent with each other. So here you are getting what here? One quad. If you are taking this 2 ones, right, so these 2 ones can be included within what here? Previous quad only, right. So you can get one more quad. So when you are taking here don't care condition, right, so here you can make it as a separate quad here, right. So here one quad and these 4 ones you are taking what here? Another quad. So here including what here? Don't care condition. Suppose if you want to leave this don't care condition, then also you can make it as what here? One quad here, right. So expression here. So first row, right, first quad. So all this will get cancelled. What will get here? A bar, B bar, right. Now here in this case A bar A get cancelled, B, and from these 2 columns D bar will get cancelled, that is plus B C bar, right, with the don't care condition. This is a special case with the 4 variable as well as the don't care condition. Thank you.